Hi everyone, I'm Holly. In case you haven't met me yet, I'm going to be the go to person if you have any questions about the tool I'm about to show you, which is called eMoney. eMoney is our interactive financial planning tool, and it's a snapshot of your financial life and will be used when we review any goals that you have and the potential impact they can have on your finances. Let's jump into the tool. So, this is your eMoney portal, and this is what it'll look like upon logging in. From here, you can see a snapshot of your financial life. You'll be able to see your net worth, investments, any goals as we talk through them, as well as you can see a breakdown of your accounts and other information as we start populating. For today, the most important thing is the data gathering part of the process. And this is where you'll have the option to go ahead and add connections to financial institutions. In order to do that, you're going to click on this Organizer tab on the left hand side of the screen. And then once you're in there, you'll be able to populate out this information if we don't already have it, such as your personal information like phone, date of birth, contact information, and the same thing for your spouse if you have one. You'll also want to outline any important people in your life by going over here and clicking the Add Person button. You'll also be able to add any property information such as your home, cars, and other valuables. Now, in order to go ahead and add connections to financial institutions, you'll want to click on the Accounts tab on the left-hand side, and this will take you to a screen where you can add accounts, either a manual connection or you can set up an automatic one. The automatic connection will be set up directly with a financial institution, and it will update usually daily overnight so that you have the most current view of that information. You'll have the ability to add bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. If for some reason your financial institution would not be able to be connected, you do have the option to manually add in the account. What we would do there is probably ask for a monthly or quarterly statement to go ahead and update that when we have a review meeting so that it's at the best possible spot so that we can see your whole financial life at that point in time. If you want to go ahead and add accounts, you'll just go over here and click the Add Accounts button on the right hand side of the screen. From there, it's going to ask you if you want to set up a connection, and you'll input the institution name and some other login information, and then it will go ahead and set that up. If for some reason you're having trouble doing that, or you're not sure if you can set it up, you can always go ahead and click this Need Helps with Connections button right aside of that other one. This will help you walk through exactly step by step of how you can go about adding the account and if you're able to. If you don't wish to add a connection to your account or you don't wish to manually input that information, you also have the ability to share information with us via the Vault. The Vault is a secure sharing system where you can upload any types of documents, but they must be uploaded in the shared documents folder for us to see them. Within here, you can click on the shared documents folder, and then you'll go to the right hand side of the screen and either upload files or you can upload a folder. Any information that would be good to be put in here could be your tax return, pay stubs, any investment statements, bank statements, basically anything that we may have requested in that data gathering phase. So if you go back to the main files tab, you'll also have another folder currently not shown on my screen that is a private documents folder. Haas Financial Group does not have access to that information, but if you want to upload your for your own personal use certain documents, that's where you would do so. So that's pretty much an overview of the tool for you right now. We will spend time in here together reviewing any goals you might have, and we'll also look to see what your expenses are and add some detail into that spending tab later on. We'll also have the ability to run reports and provide them to you via the Reports tab. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and we look forward to hearing from you.